Here are the best ways I've gotten free moving boxes near me. Number 1, check these apps and places online. When people in the neighborhood finish moving, they're pretty eager to get rid of their boxes. So first try searching free boxes on Facebook Marketplace. You can also search that term in Facebook groups. The app will default to showing groups near you first. Make sure you try the Nextdoor app too. Click the For Sale and Free tab and search for cardboard boxes. You might find some really close by. You can also check the Free tab on Craigslist or post in the Wanted section. Freecycle.org is a good option too. It's a site where people give away and request unwanted items like moving boxes. Just make sure you find your town in the menu and then join it before you search. Number 2, the best stores for free boxes. You can call or visit stores near you since they get weekly deliveries of boxes. Grocery stores and coffee shops are a good choice, and especially liquor stores. That's because their shipments are super heavy glass bottles, which means the boxes they come in are really strong. The same goes for bookstores if you've got one nearby. College bookstores are very used to students requesting any extra cardboard boxes they have in the back. Number 3, other places you might not think to check. If you're moving into an apartment complex, ask about boxes. People move in and out of there constantly, which means there's a good chance they'll give them away. You might even get some great furniture for free. It's the same situation at storage facilities, so give them a call too. Recycling centers get a ton of boxes every day, so search for the nearest one. It might be the only place you need to go. And if none of those work out, you can try a local hospital. It might seem weird, but they do get a ton of deliveries. Not just the baby kind. Don't bother the medical staff about boxes though. Talk to the help desk instead. Number 4, get moving boxes delivered. If you feel a little bit awkward asking for free moving boxes and you're short on time, try fastmovingsupplies.com. They have a lot of options and can deliver on the same day. Check the link below. But you should get some help moving those boxes from local movers. Try HireAHelper.com to find the most affordable moving companies near you. If this video was helpful, give it a like and follow for more moving and packing tips.